Part 12, 10 Useful English Idioms. 1. Be had up for something. Hindi, kisi baat ke liye muqdame mein fusna. Explanation, to be taken to court for breaking a rule or law. Example, he was had up for speeding on the highway. 2. Be hit for 6. Hindi, puri tarah chaunk jana ya hairan ho jana. Explanation, to be extremely shocked or upset. Example, the news of the accident hit him for 6. 3. Be home and hosed. Puri safalta ki garanti hona. Explanation, certain to succeed or almost finish successfully. Example, after the final goal, the team was home and hosed. 4. Be hounded by someone or something. Lagatar pareshan kiya jana. Explanation, to be chased or troubled again and again. Example, he felt hounded by reporters after the incident. 5. Be ill at ease. Ashaj ya bichan mahsus karna. Explanation, feeling uncomfortable. Example, she was ill at ease during the interview. 6. Be in a jam. Hindi, mushkil mein hona. Explanation, to be in trouble. Example, he was in a jam when he lost his wallet. 7. Be in apple pie order. Bilkul saf suthra aur vyavasthit. Explanation, very neat and perfectly arranged. Example, her study table was always in apple pie order. 8. Be in someone's good books. Kisi ki achhi nazar mein hona. Explanation, to be liked or approved by someone. Example, after helping her teacher, she was in her good books. 9. Be in hot water. Hindi, musibat mein fas jana. Explanation, to be in serious trouble. Example, he was in hot water for breaking the rules. 10. Be in over one's head. Kshamata se jyada kam mein fas jana. Explanation, to be involved in something too difficult to handle. Example, he joined the project but soon felt in over his head. Subscribe for more idioms that are useful for competitive exams like CGL, IBPS PO, Clerk, SBI PO, RBI Assistant, NDA, CDS, and many more.